Following your sharing, go to the dock and pick up flow. When you pick up flow,
all boats proceed to the starting line.
Good morning and welcome to the 16th IDBF World Dragon Boat Championship. It's held in Rayong, Pattaya, Thailand 2023. Let's get this party started as the 1,000 meters on the way.
เข้าคว้าเหรียญรางวัลครับเพราะในรอบแรกครับต้องเป็นการขับเคี่ยวกันครับระหว่างอเมริกาครับแคนาดาแล้วก็ฟิลิปปินส์ครับผมโอ้โหซึ่งบอก3ลำนี้สูสีนะครับเป็นการพายแล้วก็มีการเลี้ยวโค้งครับ
Boat 4, you have the corridor. Boat 3, you're the outside. 2 still clear. 4's got 2. Yep. Clear the eyes boys.
Got it, thank you. Watch collision, tail, watch collision.
No collision.
Don't watch 3 has to come through.
Okay, all crews down to the start. All crews into the start.
11, right of way. 14, right of way. 13, 12, hold your line.
12, 13 and 14 coming in on the turn there, and 14's got the inside line. So 14 is the catching boat, so they have right of way as they go into that corner close together. We've got USA, Canada and Australia.
Make sure everybody is on board.
The Ukrainian team paddling all the way to the finish. They won't give up, they're going to push all the way. So the Ukrainian team in a submarine there, everybody cheering them now as the Ukrainians are pushing towards the finish line. And they finish the race with a sunken boat. Nothing can stop this Ukrainian team, and the crowd goes wild for the Ukrainian team crossing them.
Pick up the stuff off the water.
Coming to the line shortly will be Canada, India, United States and Australia.
This is my last race because tomorrow I'll be in Marshall.
Camera's on and get on the camera.
As they take the charge, they are ready to go and they are off the line. Oh, Marleo!
เอาละครับออกมาแล้วครับมาดูว่ารอบนี้เรียกว่าชิ้นเป็นชิ้นตายหรือว่ามีความหมายเลยทีเดียวเอาละครับเรามาดูว่า
Finish line. What an incredible race by Thailand, China, Chinese Taipei, Canada, USA and Ukraine. So the officials for the Philippines, we've got April May, we've got Dean Gomez, we've got JP and we've got Marcia Cristobal. Their team of the Philippines currently leading this race as Iran is fighting hard to back it up, and then Japan coming on the inside. It's the Philippines on the middle, Iran on the far side, and then Japan on the inside coming across the line, and they will keep this formation as they cross. The Philippines absolutely unstoppable in this heat.
And the gold medals goes to